Bonjour mes chers élèves, notre classe inversée pour cette semaine 4, basée sur 3 points. We start our flipped class based on 3 points. La dictée, production écrite, point sur le projet. For this week, your teacher will give to you during the first session dictation. This dictation based on last week. Then we have to write short paragraph. Then point sur le projet, we have to know what about your project for last week. Dictée. Last dictation, it was en vacances, j'irai au port de la mer et je voyagerai en France. En vacances, j'irai au port de la mer et je voyagerai en France. Deuxième point, votre livre page 59, your book textbook page 59. You have in this page text are true. You have to complete the text using pictures to complete by words. We have it in French. We name this puzzle by Rebus. What about this kind of puzzle? Rebus is kind of puzzle in which words are represented by combinations of pictures. You have here pictures and you have to replace it by words. To help you, in your right hand you have the text that you will listen, and you have also down some words translated in English. You have to listen and you have to complete. Instead of pictures you have to write words. Fais attention, be careful, because sometimes the same pronunciation may be represented by two words. Example, if we have to pronounce this picture, we say tante. How can we write it? We write it like this, tante, mean tent. But the same pronunciation maybe give another word like tante, tante. Okay? So here, if you have picture, maybe the same pronunciation give two words. We call it in French homophone. Homophone means the same pronunciation but with different letters. Maybe you have the same pronunciation but with two different words. Here you have to choose which one do you need to complete the text. Do you need the meaning for tent or for tante? Okay?
Activité 3. Au mois d'août, j'irai en vacances en Bretagne à la mer. Je ne pourrai pas nager car ce sera l'hiver, mais je ferai de la plongée avec un guide. Je prendrai un télésiège. Je ferai un peu d'escalade. Je ferai du char à voile et du VTT. Je me promènerai dans la campagne. Je nagerai dans la mer. J'irai voir des volcans. La nuit, je dormirai chez ma tante ou dans un château. Vivement les vacances!
Production écrite, writing a short paragraph about what you will do during the next vacation. As a model, you can write, for example, pendant les vacances prochaines, j'irai en France avec ma famille. On visitera la Tour Eiffel, le Louvre et les autres monuments. J'irai aussi au club pour jouer au football avec mes amis. De plus, j'irai à la piscine pour nager. You can take some ideas from this paragraph or you can write what you want. You are free if your paragraph is logic and correct. Maintenant, un point sur le projet. I told you last time that your project based on 10 words, that you choose one only or two, and you can draw this word that you choose according to what you understand about this word, and you find all details in Ruba website, especially in week 2 project. Merci et à la prochaine.